this love affair began. What if you feel more like a feel? Confusion can give way to doubt.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. You're in the mood for empathy and blood in my PM. Better get with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach you.
My DMs are rolling.
Hi guys. I think it's still morning. Yeah, good morning guys. So it's currently 11:30. If I didn't properly introduce the vlog, hi, I am Imi Nkosiyane. I am a medical student, I'm a model, and I am a life sciences and accounting tutor. So if you're new to this channel, please do make sure to hit that little subscribe button somewhere over here. And to everyone, please do make sure to like this video, comment down below anything positive, and make sure that by the end of this video, you make sure that you'll share this video to your mother, to your father, to your friends, to your family, to your cousin, to your sister, to your brother, to your dog, to your puppy, and to your cat. Everyone, say it with me guys, everyone needs to watch this vlog. So it is Tuesday, don't even know the date. It's Tuesday, the 11th of March. I just wrote my chemistry practical test, as you guys might have seen from the previous clips, and I am back now to I need to go and hang my clothes in the drying rack because the dryers did not really do what they needed to do for the clothes. So but I'm stressed because it's gonna rain and I'm not gonna be here to take my clothes back inside my room, but I'm gonna do that either ways, and then I'm gonna make myself some noodles, pack those, then I'm gonna warm up some food, pack that, and then I'm gonna head on to the medical library. I'm gonna go to the tutorial rooms because we need to grind for physics. I'm writing physics tomorrow. I'm writing medical physics. Our test is on mechanics and thermodynamics, so I need to get well acquainted with all of those. I did, do a bit of, yes, I should be using my tripod because, yeah, but either ways, I did, practice during the week. So I just have, I wouldn't say a few, but some stuff to, polish up, especially with the calculations. And then since tomorrow I'm writing physics, the day after physics I'm writing biology. So I'm writing medical biology. So basically, welcome to a test week in my life, or an exam week in the life of a medical student.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a to know you, won't you? So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With your head in its place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With your head in its place on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We have it, that's all. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We have it, that's all. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We have it, that's all. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing.
Hi guys, if the quality is different, I'm filming with the front camera. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't wanna speak loudly. And you see, what I hate about filming with the front camera is that I always have to fight the urge to look at myself. But okay, so I'm at the touch rooms now. I am about to work for the next 7 hours, 8 hours. Yeah. I will see you guys whenever I see you guys.
Please be don't just be nothing to me. I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing to me. I want you to give to me, yeah.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
Hi guys, it's almost 8:30 p.m. I just got back from Ray's. I was here up until 8 and then I rushed to Ray's to eat and to have an outfit change. I'm now wearing shorts and my matric jacket. So unfortunately I'm still on mechanics. I haven't started thermodynamics and that's very concerning. It's concerning on the highest scale or to the highest scale. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do at least, in fact at max, 5 questions on mechanics and then I'm gonna start doing thermodynamics. So adios.
Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I ain't got this. Put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I ain't got this. Put it in the song. Alright.
guys, it's currently 22 minutes past 11 p.m. Still at it. Still have no idea of what's going on, especially in thermodynamics, but you know, there's nothing we can do besides studying. So I'm gonna see you guys whenever I see you guys. Please do make sure that you like the video, you comment down below anything positive, just say you hope I passed the test, and you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye. So guys, liphelile ixesha lethu apha. Kuyavalwa ngoku, so I am going to go to the study center. Maybe is gonna go study in her room. I don't know when I'll come back, honestly. I don't know when I'll go back to my room. But this, oh, the actual tissues. Oh no. But so that's what's gonna happen now. Yeah, we're writing tomorrow at 9. So, and I have a class at like 8. But it's gonna be an online class. Then I'm gonna write. Then I'm gonna attend the rest of the in-person classes. I guess I'm a lift I7. Yes, I'm a zishibanko. Ibe sisihlazekile. No, acela singajashwa njani. Isisiqhelo into esebenzile nje. Ibe sike sibuziwe ubani yapi. Why nizoqa. Oh, bethu into zohlazeka. But siyesaba zishibanko kuhlengixelele yabi yazivula. Sithi sathi hayibo ithini into ivizivule. Ithi masiphume. Boring. It's 12 a.m. It's officially the 12th of March. Welcome to Tuesday, guys. Welcome to Tuesday. Let's go chase this degree at the study center. Yeah, there are also people that are going there. If you can see those people there, yeah, they're definitely going there. The footage is gonna be shaky because I am rushing, but I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye.
Please be don't, please be don't, please be don't, please be don't,
asukhoshoshe mnyani uba ualokhethwa njani health status. Umzekelo xa udiabetic okanye u-HIV positive okanye ube obese. Ja. Okay, enye into. I first calculated her BMI because lena inikwa yaphi BMI yayifunayo. So I calculated her BMI using her mass and her height. So I used that formula. I said BMI is equal to mass over height squared. Mass. Hi guys, so today is Thursday. It's currently, let me check the time real quick. It's 11:30. It's 11:30 a.m. and I'm studying as usual. This week has been draining and it's still gonna continue to be draining, but we're pushing and I'm hungry. I need to do my dishes and I need to cook, but I don't want to do that now. But I'm so hungry. My stomach is literally growling. That's how hungry I am. But if you're enjoying the vlog thus far, please do make sure to give it a like, comment down below anything positive, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you guys.
Hope you know what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, down low, maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much to fuck my
guys, it's Friday. I don't want to vlog in front of people, so that's why I'm waiting here. But I'm going to the study center. It's currently 7 p.m. I'm going to be there up until the goal is 6 tomorrow in the morning. So let's go.
Tell me something, yes. I try to keep you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it up. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Shut me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a measure of mine. I mean, if you get free of the mind, say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm my love, you didn't need for your life. Yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Imi Nkosiyane. I am a medical student, I'm a model, and I'm a life sciences and accounting tutor. So if you're new here, please do make sure to subscribe and like the video, comment down below anything positive. And yeah, so basically guys, I haven't been vlogging this week. Like, I haven't been vlogging consistently, but there are some clips that I took just because I was writing. So I wrote chemistry, marks are out, I passed, and then I wrote physics. So I wrote medical chemistry and then I wrote medical physics, and the marks aren't out yet. And then with medical biology, a lot happened, but we didn't end up writing it, basically. That's what I can say. And it's probably gonna be postponed to this week, but we haven't been given a date as of yet. And then, yeah, so that's what happened last week. That's why I couldn't really vlog. I was studying, busy with my work. It's currently Saturday. No, it's Sunday. I'm sorry, it's Sunday. It's again.
Oh, this was?
Yes.
I'll be back in a bit.
Okay. Sure. So as I was saying, it's Sunday and it's currently 6 minutes to oh god, it's the 16th of March. It's currently 6 minutes to 4. It's currently 6 minutes to 4. But yeah, I had a very lazy weekend. I wasn't really productive. Yesterday I went to the study center and I basically did 1.5 things because I really didn't do the second thing. But I sort of got an idea of what I was supposed to do. But yesterday I did my first assignment. I did that and I completed it. And then I started my second assignment, my medical chemistry assignment, and I am not done with it. I haven't really even started. I'd say I've done like 15% of the work. So I need to do that. And then, well, not 15, like 30%. And then, yeah, so my study session is going to start now. I'm having a Vita Start and I have some water here. I just took a shower and yeah, I'm starting my session at 4. Yeah. And then I'm probably going to sleep at like 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, that's what's happening. So this week I have human behavioral sciences. I'm writing a test on human behavioral sciences. And then I have chemistry. As I said, I have a chemistry practical that I need to finish. And then I also have I'll have medical biology test 2 sometime next week, because yeah. But then with medical biology test 1, I'm still not sure as to when it's postponed or when we're going to write it. So I just need to, do all of that stuff, and it's time to lock in. I was watching a vlog and we're about to stop all that. I'm gonna eat and then we are going to start with the study session. So please do make sure to like this video if you're enjoying it, and make sure to share it with your friends, your family, your dog, your puppy, your mother. Everyone needs to watch this video, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. It's currently 6:30. It's 6:30, so it's 2 hours 30 minutes later. I just finished with my first assignment. Now I need to... What do I need to do? Because I'm done with assignments. I need to do biology. I need to do some notes on biology, and then I'm gonna do some lectures I did not do on human behavioral sciences. Hey guys, it's Thursday, the 20th of March, and I'm going home for the term break. It will be a long video if I explain how that happened, but it happened. I'm going home for the term break, and yeah, I just went out to get a take-a-lot order. I ordered headphones for my friend, so she's gonna come and get them, but I need to clean up, I need to pack, because my mother is gonna be here within like... So from where she's at to here, it's like a 30-minute drive, but she's literally gonna be here in like 20 minutes. That's how fast she drives. So I need to get this whole thingy sorted. It's so dirty in my place right now. Yeah, I need to tidy up, I need to freshen up, and then we leave. So I'll see you guys as I'm packing. Hi guys, so we are at this wholesale shop thingy. Not sure what we're here to do, but we're here. Okay. So come to Mogabakan and see Tingy doesn't matter for long. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, come on, baby. And my heart can't take no more, no more, no more. My days are cold without you, without you. And my heart can't take no more, no more.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad, you know.